Hello and welcome to a little video about mobile banking and what it can do for you. The world of mobile banking is relatively new, with it being introduced in 2010. Until 2010, mobile banking had been done mostly via SMS text. However, with the smartphone age and the introduction of the iPhone and Android phone, mobile banking has taken off in popularity. As you see in the video right now, you can do many different things with mobile banking. The most common tasks include checking balances, transferring money, paying bills, and even locating a branch or ATM from anywhere in the world. Although there are some issues as far as security and things like that, it has not stopped the consumer from downloading and using their mobile banking apps. In many cases, there isn't even a reason to go into the bank nowadays.
This is Amy, and she's going to answer some questions about mobile banking apps. How do you use mobile banking apps on your smartphone?
I primarily use it to check the balance and to see my recent transactions.
Do you have any security concerns with mobile banking apps?
Sometimes I wonder if it's easier to get my password through my phone rather than using my computer.
Thank you.
We wanted to get the opinion of someone who works within the banking industry. Unfortunately, we were rejected 3 times for an in-person interview by 3 different banks, but we did manage to get a phone response. We wanted to know what impact they felt mobile banking applications would have on the future of the banking industry.
Well, in my opinion, I think that more and more apps will be added, more and more banking features will be available to customers because they're becoming more convenient. People don't need to be coming into the bank every day. They can just use the apps on their phones. So I think that part would expand, and probably more features will be added for the elderly to use too, because we receive feedback from our customers, and it seems that elderly use the Wells Fargo mobile banking app. Does that answer your question?
The mobile banking apps of today give the user the ability to check their account balances, make transfers between accounts, get directions to the nearest bank or ATM, receive bank notifications, and deposit checks by merely taking a photo of the check. Also, PayPal is developing technology in which you can send money to another person's account or receive money simply by bumping phones with that person.
The adoption of mobile banking applications by smartphone users is a particularly interesting issue because of how users have reacted to it. While the process is very secure and easy to do, many smartphone users have voiced concerns about security issues and issues relating to these apps. A large problem for these users may be the lack of information available. Since there are many different applications for mobile banking, users might find it difficult to determine what to use. Many users have also voiced a demand for a more personalized approach. They are simply not ready to lose the human interaction of going to the bank. Therefore, while the future of mobile banking apps is bright, it will be interesting to see how banks handle these user concerns in the future.